How to make viral AI videos using AI video generator. Want to create viral videos that blow up your YouTube or social media? You are in the right place. Today I'll show you how to use AI to generate unique, realistic, and attention-grabbing videos. Have you ever thought of a weird video idea that just makes you go, that would get so many views? Like how about Gordon Ramsay as a professional wrestler? Totally out of box. But people love that kind of quirky content. It grabs their attention and is the perfect formula for viral videos. So how do you make such videos? It's simple. We will use ImagineArt AI, a powerful tool that generates both images and videos from text prompts. With ImagineArt, you don't need multiple tools, you just need one. And trust me, it's all you need to bring your ideas to life. Let's get started. First, sign up and log in into ImagineArt. Once you are in, head to the Video Studio section. Here you'll find the text to video and image to video tools. Today, let's start with Imagine Shorts. This is perfect for creating short videos. I'll input a fun idea. Gordon Ramsay as a professional wrestler. Go ahead and click on the option Create a New Project, or also you can choose a template. After you select it, now you have to fill up these. If you do have a script, you can check in for this option, or you can click on the option of Write with AI. Now here, type in your prompt. Scrolling down, select your category, YouTube Shorts, Professional, or any options given over here. Likewise, select the script length, then select the language, click on Continue. So here is your script. If you're not satisfied with this one, you can type in your own, then click on Continue. Now for the voice, you will need to select the accent, likewise gender. From this list, you can select any of it and click on Continue. Lastly, you have to customize these general settings: aspect ratio for your video, media library, and scene pacing. Once you are done, click on Submit. Now, it's gonna take a while to prepare your video. Once the video is ready, you will get a quality clip complete with the voiceover and all the effects. Check it out. This is how Gordon Ramsay could look as a wrestler. Next, if you want to make the video even more realistic, you can fix character consistency by uploading a reference image of Gordon Ramsay. Use that to generate images that match his look for each scene, ensuring your character looks the same in every shot. Once all the images are ready, head over to Image to Video tool, upload your images, set the aspect ratio, and let the AI generate a video based on them. You can tweak settings like lighting, camera angles, and style to get the perfect result. One of the best parts, you can add sound effects directly to your video. With just a click, ImagineArt lets you add realistic sound effects to make your video even more engaging. From background noises to action sounds, it's all there. You have got a viral-ready video. This is how you create viral videos using ImagineArt AI. Simple, effective, and incredibly powerful. If you're serious about content creation, give ImagineArt a try. It's the ultimate tool for bringing your wildest ideas to life. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching.